What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. So welcome to finally my inexpensive apartment makeover tour. I guess it would really just be an apartment tour. Pretty much just showing you where I live and how I live. But basically I put off showing you this video because I was actually in transition and I wasn't sure if I was moving, and then I wasn't gonna move. I was going to move and then I did move. So that's why it took so long. I have to say that the word expensive or inexpensive really is different for every single person. I would say for me, considering I live in Southern California, and California itself is one of the most expensive places to live, where I currently live in terms of what I have, I am getting the most bang for my buck, so that's why I would say it's inexpensive. And also I have a roommate, so I don't live by myself, but she lets me decorate however way I want to. For me personally, I can't justify spending a lot of money on furniture, but that's because that's just me. I'd rather work out or something like that with that money. So for every single person, it just depends. So this is what I got with the budget that I had. Okay, before we begin, let's turn on the lights. I forgot I set them so high. I look like I've been in the sun all day or something like that. So welcome to my apartment and my front door. Basically, I'm not completely done furnishing everything, but I'm gonna tell you guys what I got, where I got it, and all of that. So, this is my shoe rack. Here are my Adidas shoes, and I put my socks in my shoes, and my lovely Birkenstocks that I always use. Next, here's the story behind this table. So I thought I needed a coffee table, and then it ended up being way too big. So I just placed it right here with my Target mirror, and I still need to hang this up, but I haven't had the time to figure out how high I want it to be. And then in this little dish, I keep all of our community keys, like the mail key. And here is my living room, and there's my tripod. So, about this sectional couch. I've always wanted a sectional couch, so I would say that this couch is the most bang for your buck. I always had a futon couch, like those IKEA futons, and I thought, well, if anyone needs a place to crash, then they can stay there, but no one ever did because the futon was not comfortable at all. And so I thought, okay, when my parents come over, I want to have a couch that's comfortable. So I finally invested in a sectional couch. I bought it on Living Spaces, and I think it was $500, while all the other couches I was looking at was $1,000, and I was like, adulting is expensive. Like, you never had to worry about this before. Moving on, the TV was donated to me by my boyfriend because at his apartment he said none of his roommates watch it, so then I was like, I'll have it. Then this entertainment stand I got from Walmart for $20. Brand new. I had to assemble it myself, but it was worth it. This bookshelf right here I bought from Amazon for $60, and it was the cheapest I could find because at a lot of other places they were about $200. So I got this from Target. I got this from my mother, who got it from HomeGoods. Target. Books. Where are you from? HomeGoods. I got this as a gift from one of my students, and I got that as a gift from one of my friends. But this shelf is wonderful. This vine is also from Amazon, and it's not real. I wish I could be a plant person, but I'm just not home enough, and I feel like they're just all going to die, and I would feel so bad. So bad. This rug used to be in my old room, and then I ended up moving it into the living room because my room right now is carpeted. Onto the dining area. Okay, so in my dining room, I have these two pictures. So modern, I know. They're from Target, and I got them for $30 each. And I just felt like they were so minimalistic, and I really liked it, and I liked the colors on it. They weren't the easiest to put up because I was doing it by myself, and I had to figure out, like, is it straight? Is it working? Is it gonna fall over? But it's good now. Onto the table. My dining table I bought from Wayfair for $100, and I got 4 of these chairs from Amazon for $70. 4 chairs, $70. There's nothing cheaper than that. And I will tell you guys, I looked on Craigslist, I looked on Facebook Marketplace, I always tried to find cheaper deals before buying brand new, and then I realized I don't have a truck, so. So here's my room. I do have the master bedroom. So this is where my Bible studies happen, where I play Fortnite, where I will edit more complicated videos that require me to do a lot more editing than my MacBook. Here's my bathroom. That's a very standard bathroom. I got this towel from Target, and I painted this at paint night that my friend and I went to on a Friday night, and it was a lot of fun. Okay, you guys, I am the most proud of this section right over here because right behind my crates in this box right here are all of my wires and my router. The plug to this lamp, all of it is hidden right behind here. At least, oh, yes, you can see it. Yeah, all of that is hidden behind this crate right here. I know I had to get really inventive because the Ethernet cable is in my room, and so I was like, how am I going to hide this giant thing? I got it. This has been around with me for so long, and I got another Amazon shelf. These are all of my books that I have, and they're like my Christian books. So this is focusing on our walk with Jesus. This is based on human relationships and your relationship with Jesus. And then all of these books are just about getting to know God and Jesus more. This is my financial area because I feel like we don't talk about finances enough in Christianity. And I know this is such a controversial topic. I care about how people manage their money. And so I read those kinds of books so that I understand how financial people think and that I can kind of converse and keep up with the conversation that's happening around me. What I really want to do is make money so that I could give so much of it away. Here are all of my teacher related books. So Teach Like a Champion is on classroom management. Of course, The Chronicles of Narnia by C.S. Lewis, who is also a Christian writer for adults. And then all of my children's books. And we meet again. Everyone always has these baskets, so I thought I should get one too, but I'm not even using it for anything except to hold my pillows, but I guess that's all it's for, really. Okay, so right here is my bed, and this lamp is a touch lamp, and my Google Home, which also works as an alarm. It also turns on the lights and turn off the lights and all of that. This is my queen bed because I just like to have a lot of room when I sleep. And this is the bed where I wake up at 5 a.m. sometimes. So this is my kitchen. I think what I love the most is my fridge. Let's see what I have in here. Okay, I got strawberries, organic chicken sausages, and salsa and watermelons. And then in here I have all of my Arbonne stuff that I take like every day, and some pasta sauce. And oh my gosh, you guys, this plant-based pasta is so good because there's organic chickpea and organic turmeric, and that is all. So that's my kitchen, and that's pretty much my apartment because there's not that much happening. Yeah, and this tree right here I also bought from Wayfair. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed my apartment tour. Okay, goodbye. Yeah. Thank you so much for checking out this home tour and just seeing what my apartment is like. I am just very thankful that I even have a place to live. I know that this standard of living is pretty darn good, so I am very thankful for it. I don't take it for granted because I know what it's like to struggle immensely financially, so I'm very thankful. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.